Hello everyone, today I will show you how to replace the battery. Place the new battery in the battery compartment. Install the battery according to the correct orientation and position. Power on test to check if the battery is working properly. Thanks for watching, see you next time.